Hi everybody, welcome. CJ here, and today we are just going to be playing the piano. I imagine this is why people learn to play anyway. This is why people want to learn to play. They just want to be able to sit down and freely just play the piano. Learning songs is great. Sheet music is great. I recommend all of the above. But sometimes you just want to sit down and just let your mind just flow. You don't have to think about what notes to play, whether you're doing it right, whether you're doing it wrong. Just sit and relax. Nobody's watching. Nobody judging. So you can just express yourself freely. Why not? And the groove. Add any rhythm you want, just for fun. Just be able to sit down and play. Let yourself relax and be in the moment and enjoy it. That's what piano is all about. It's not about scales, studying and exams and technique all the time. All of that's important and it has its place, but the most important thing is to sit down and play for fun and enjoy it. So that's what this video is about, and I encourage you, right after this video, sit down at your piano and play. Just find a couple of notes and sit down and play. Any way you want to enjoy it.